how to add a image in between a video using Filmora. So I will add video and image in Filmora. So this is the video and this is the image which I want to add in between. So first of all I will add the video. So I have installed this video and there's a logo, so I want to remove this and I want subscribe button. So how I will do it, I will just drag and drop this image here at the top of the video, drag it till the area I want, just double click on this. I will resize it according to my needs. I will resize it like this. Like this I will resize it. So I want to look it like this. Let me play this. So it's showing subscribe button and logo is removed completely. So you can do this, it is very easy, and I hope now you will be able to do it, friends. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.